So we're going to talk a little bit about models over the next bunch of videos. And the first thing is just the number line. So in the basic sense, the number line is just a line. We're going to typically start at 0 at the beginning of this. We'll revisit it when we get to negative numbers, but let's hold off on that. And we'll just make a little mark for a whole bunch of things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and this is fairly straightforward. The only thing that you sort of have to remember is that things go positive to the right. It's just kind of a, again, mathematical sort of formality that's the way that we've chosen to do things. Okay, now some of the things we can use the number line for are some of the sort of arithmetic kind of operations that we do, right? And so if we have addition, let me just do 2, say, plus 4, right? So we can represent this on the number line by starting at 2, and you can do 4 little hops, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And you end up at 6, right? And so this is basically the counting up method of addition, right? First, start at the first addend, count up by 4. Graphically, that just means hop up each little notch until you arrive at the answer. Okay. Now we can also do subtraction. Let's say 9 minus 3. And so this is very much the same way. It's going to be counting down, right? So we'll start here at 9 and count down 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, right. And we also arrive at 6. So, a little bit different. Okay. All right. So let's also just take a look at a multiplication example. Let's say 2 times 4. And again, you can think about this as 2 different ways. 2 hops of size 4, we're going to start at 0. Right, here's a hop of 4, and another hop of 4, which arrives at 8, right? And this is basically, again, the definition of multiplication, right? Repeated addition. Right, so what we just did there was, what, 4 plus 4, right? Now I could also I'll go ahead and put this on the same. Right, I can also think about this as 4 hops of 2. What we're going to do is think of it like this. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 2, 2, 2, 2. Right, and what we've done is repeated addition as well. 4 2's to come up with that. All right, good. This works like I did to just very sort of 1-digit numbers. It works very well with higher multiples of numbers, in the hundreds, tens, etc. Division can work with this. I'm going to do that separately. Division is always a little quirky in many ways, so you'll see with all these models, often division doesn't quite work the same way, but sometimes it does when it comes out to be really nice, as we'll see. Okay, that wraps up just a very introduction to number